Hey guys, it is Dale. I'm here for another unboxing video. And this one is I've been out for like 2 weeks, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, this particular one is the Switcher with NRG. It's a kit. It comes with the Switcher mod and the NRG tank, which I know nothing about either of these two products. Like, legitimately, absolutely nothing. I've never heard of them. I have never seen them. I must not be looking in the right places, I guess. We do have a hardware guru man, or multiple men, that do all of the looking into in hardware. The only time I really look into hardware is if I see something pretty that I like, or if somebody in the Facebook e-juice group, the Vape Wild e-juice group, tags me and says, hey, have you seen this? And then we'll get to talking about it. But other than that, I typically like to stay to the same kind of mod, you know? So that's why I don't know a lot of these things that I have just done unboxings for. But this particular one seems to be cool. It comes with the Switcher mod and the NRG tank. Oh, look at this pretty presentation. Look at that. It says, say hello to the future. Yeah. This one also has new mod smell, which I like. Okay. All right. Okay, so this guy lifts up to reveal the Switcher mod, which is basically the same one that I showed you in the unboxing video for it. Looks like this. This is the Switcher mod itself. Might have been doing that too fast, sorry. But you have your oversized power button, your huge masculine big 510 display is what they call it. It's funny. And your navigational buttons. I am in awe about how pretty this is. I mean, in the door is fantastic. Like, just first-hand thoughts. Also in here is the NRG tank. NRG tank. And it is a top fill tank. Bottom airflow. Very, very wide airflow as well. And it's a fairly large tank. It looks to be probably 5 to 7 mils. Let's see if it tells me. It does not. I'm assuming it's somewhere between 5 to 7 mils. Let's see what they look like together. There it is right there. I think it's pretty. I think it's pretty, actually. And it's not very heavy. I also do not have batteries in it, but I do feel that if I put batteries in it, it's going to be like fairly heavy. Also in here, you get a spare piece of glass, spare O-rings and such, and an extra coil. 0.15 ohm coil. And yeah, I mean, I don't know anything about this mod. You also get a USB cord and paperwork and stuff as well, which I typically don't go through. Oh, it is a 5 mil tank. Look, it says right there. I feel stupid. It is a 5 mil tank. Yeah, I'm excited to see what this guy has to offer me. And it also says that the case is replaceable. I want to learn how to take it apart and replace the case. I'm not sure if you just pull it off or how that works. Yeah, so I'm excited to do that as well. If you have either the Switcher mod or the NRG tank, will you please comment below and let me know how you like it? Because I might not be able to get to this one for about a week. So this particular one the full review might not be up for a while. And I love reading what you guys have to say and have to tell me. And I love your little tidbits and all of that good stuff as well. And yeah, so I just want to know what you think about this, and I'll update you in the comments as well about how my journey with it is going. And then I will do my full review in about a week to 2 weeks, so be looking for that as well. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.